Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into a topic that's been buzzing since the early days of Bitcoin. Shilling. What exactly is shilling in the crypto world? And more importantly, does it still work in 2025? First off, let's define shilling. Shilling is when someone promotes a cryptocurrency or project, often with a vested interest, to drive up its value. Think of it like a hype man at a concert. But instead of a rock band, they're pumping up digital coins. In the early days, shilling was rampant. Influencers, celebrities, even your neighbor's dog, seemed to have a hot tip on the next big altcoin. Some made fortunes, while others, ended up holding bags of worthless tokens. But how does shilling in crypto compare to traditional finance? In the stock market, we have something similar called pump and dump schemes. Promoters hype up a stock, causing its price to soar, only to sell off their shares at the peak, leaving other investors with losses. Both shilling and pump and dump thrive on hype and FOMO, fear of missing out. Now let's talk about Web3 and new crypto projects in 2025. With the rise of decentralized finance and blockchain tech, shilling has evolved. Enter the world of DAOs and NFT marketplaces. Here, shilling isn't just about boosting a token's price. It's about creating a community and driving adoption. Projects often incentivize early adopters with rewards, airdrops, and exclusive perks. But does shilling still work in 2025? The answer is both yes and no. Yes, because human psychology hasn't changed. We still get excited by the promise of quick gains and cutting-edge tech. No, because the market has matured. Investors are more savvy and skeptical. They've seen the scams and rug pulls. Regulations have tightened and communities are more vigilant. Transparency and trust have become crucial. So, what's the takeaway? While shilling can still draw attention and drive short-term gains, the true champions in the crypto world are those who build real value. Projects with solid fundamentals, clear use cases, and engaged communities are the ones that stand the test of time. In 2025, it's not just about shouting the loudest, it's about delivering the most. Hit that like button if you found this insightful, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto breakdowns. Keep investing wisely, and as always, do your own research. See you next time.